this is Jessa, and this is a quick tip for some social media. Just before I jump in, I wanted to let you know that I am using a Windows computer, so if you are on a Mac and you hear me say Control, for you it will be Command. Just a final note as well, this tutorial unfortunately isn't for tablet or mobile devices. In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to create a beautiful pin that's going to drive traffic from Pinterest to your blog. So today I'm going to be using Canva to create the pin. And Canva is free. You can go to canva.com and sign up for a free account. You're going to love it. It's changed my life and I can't believe it exists. It's so robust, and that in terms of design and what you can do with it, I just love it. So there's a search bar at the top. We're going to search for pins. And we're going to click on Pinterest pins. And it's going to bring up a heap of gorgeous templates that we can use. So I'm going to pick one of these. I think that I am going to pick this one here. Gorgeous. Now today I'm going to be making a pin for my blog article here. So 10 tips for VAs just starting out. Now the first thing I'm going to do is change the colours to my brand colours. I'm also going to change the fonts to my fonts which I've loaded into my account. I'm just going to style this a little bit, add some letter spacing. Brilliant. Now I'm going to grab my title, which is 10 top tips for VAs. And in this area down here, I'm just going to add my website. Just going to style that a little bit more, and I'm going to find an image to replace this one here. So I'm going to go to Elements, and I am going to look for one with a computer. Awesome, that one looks good just there. Beautiful. And I might just add a little graphic under my web URL just to make it pop a little bit more. I'm gonna add one of these. Just have it down the bottom. Awesome, I'm super happy with that. So I'm going to roll with that one. Now the next thing, now I'm happy with my pin, the next thing I'm going to need to do is download a JPEG file of it. So I'm going to hit JPEG and I'm going to hit download. And that will download to my download folder. So it should be ready and waiting for me in there. Beautiful. Now I'm going to go across to Pinterest. I'm going to go to saved. And I'm going to go this little plus sign here, create a pin. I'm going to upload my graphic that I just made. I'm going to type in the title of my blog. I'm going to grab like a little bit of an excerpt from my blog, and I'm going to grab the URL. So if you can hear me clicking away on my keyboard, I'm going Control C, or if you're on a Mac, it'll be Command C. And then I'm going to paste, I go Control V, or if you're on a Mac, Command V, which is paste. I'm just going to paste that there. I'm going to find a board to put it on. So for this one, I'm going to have maybe business tips will be a good one to publish that one into. I'm going to hit publish. That will load for a second, and if you click see your pin, this is what it looks like on Pinterest. So how cool is that? Super easy, looks really professional, and didn't take heaps of time.
And if I click that, it's going to take me directly to my blog article. So this is a fantastic way to drive traffic to your website. I highly recommend it.
Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it and I hope it was helpful. This tutorial is actually part of a series, so if you jump on over to my channel, I've set it up as a playlist. Finally, if you have any questions or have an idea for a video you would love me to make, please drop them in the comments below.